Today, let's start with chapter number 14, that is Social Awakening. So, let's start with the chapter. There are many social works of our country in our history. Read and learn. What are the main features of India Renaissance? India Renaissance arose nationalism, right? It highlighted the need of ancient Indian idols and love for otherland. People began to oppose superstition and superfluous ritual. The nation began to consider as a part of world community. Western education infused in people the ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity. Many educated young people, they visited England where they got what? Working knowledge for democratic institutions. Now, Brahmo Samaj. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the great social reformer of the 19th century. इन्होंने किसके लिए काम करा? Abolition of सती सिस्टम, चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड अदर सोशल फीलिंग. ये क्या चाहते थे? कंडीशन जो है वुमेन की जो मिजरेबल है उसको अच्छा बनाना चाहते थे. एंड इन 1830 व्हाट ही रिमूव ऑल द सोशल evils and worked for the great welfare of all sections of society. He was influenced by the broad outlook of the European culture. The member of the Brahmo Samaj opposed idol worship and praised the beliefs in one of the god. And Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a great scholar, Arabic, Persian and Sanskrit. Raja Mohan Roy was the abolition of sati in 1820. इन्होंने abolition करा सती का कब? 1820. Movement of widow remarriage. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, he openly supported widow remarriage and proved that it was not prohibited by Shas. He strongly opposed the Orthodox Hindus, and Governor General Lord Dalhousie appreciated his efforts, and Widow Remarriage Act was passed in 1856. Right? Next is Arya Samaj. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was born in the Orthodox Brahmin family of Tankara and Gujarat. He did not believe in idol worship. He established Arya Samaj in 1875 at Bombay. What he established? Number of gurukuls. जो किस पे based थे? Vedic idea. The most important of these institutions was set up at Kangri village at Haridwar in Uttarakhand. Ramakrishna Mission. Ramakrishna Mission was established by Swami Vivekananda. He was the pupil of Sri Ramakrishna Paramanans. He was dynamic personality, deep knowledge of Hinduism, rare vision. He attended World Parliament in Chicago in 1893. He was the first Indian who re-established the spiritual premise. He arose nationalism among the Indian people and opposed all social peaks. Right? Next is Theosophical Society. Theosophical Society, led by Annie Besant in India, was inspired by philosophy of Western Enlightenment. Based on this discovery, it was founded by Adyar in Madras in 1886, which was carried out by the extensive research. Society published many books and founded Central Hindu College at Varanasi in 1855, which was strongly opposed child marriage and what it supported abolition of caste system. Aligarh movement, Muslim society, European culture and education के against थी, right? And Sir Syed Ahmad Khan took the support of Britishers to improve the condition of Muslims. He set up school for spreading education of English. In 1975, set up a Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College at Aligarh, जो famous Aligarh Muslim University बनी. With the efforts of Syed Ahmad Khan, what happened? Muslim women could not get higher education and it brought a new awakening in the Muslim society. So we have Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Sayyidullah, Nawab Aflud Afles. All these social reformers help in improving status of women, spreading education. इससे क्या होता है? Sealing of patriotism, right? Nationalism among the people. It helped a lot in giving new life to the Indian national no, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.